This is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So first, let me share a few advices on how to prevent overheating, since obviously preventing a problem is easier and more effective than fixing it once it already occurred. So first advice, do not overcharge your battery, do not try to fast charge your phone, and always use the charging equipment that meets the manufacturer recommended requirements and specifications. Second advice, do not expose your smartphone to the direct sunlight once outdoors for extended periods of time. Now, if you are wondering or if you are curious on how to help the device to cool itself down faster if it has been overheated, you can absolutely do that by launching your device's settings, then enter the battery category, or first go into the device gear and from here go for the battery and switch on the battery protection as well as power saving features. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.